Stop, before you open that textbook or start your UWorld blocks. Are you actually studying SMART for the USMLE in 2025? Because the game has changed, and this is the roadmap every SMART Med student is now following. The USMLE Step 1 is now past fail, but that doesn't mean you can relax. Step 2 is now your golden ticket to residency. Here's what you need to understand. USMLE is a marathon, not a sprint. And the key to success? A smart, systemized strategy that evolves with you. 3-phase USMLE strategy. Phase 1, foundation building, 6 to 8 months. Start with first aid, pathoma, sketchy, not UWorld. Watch videos, take notes, build concept maps, don't cram. Create spaced repetition flashcards. Phase 2, question immersion, 4 to 6 months. Now start UWorld, but don't rush. Use tutor mode at first. Understand why each answer is right or wrong. Review mistakes daily. Keep an error log. Phase 3, test simulation, 1 to 2 months. Full-time blocks, NBME exams. Work on stamina, accuracy, and nerves. Focus on test day routines and weak areas. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, starting UWorld too early. Without understanding concepts, you're wasting precious questions. Mistake number 2, ignoring Step 2 prep. Residency programs now care more about your Step 2 score than ever before. Mistake number 3, passive learning. Just watching videos or highlighting won't cut it. Use active recall Anki and self-testing. Mistake number 4, burnout. You're not a robot. Balance study with sleep, exercise, and breaks. Top resources in 2025. Here's what the top scorers are using in 2025. First Aid, 2025. Edition, Still the Bible UWorld QBank. The best way to think like the test amboss. Great for quick revisions. Sketchy plus Pixarized Dash for visual memory and biochem. NBME practice exams Dash the best step 1 and 2 predictors. Ankidex Dash especially. Lightyear or Anking. Now let's build your custom roadmap. 1. How many months until your exam? 2. How many hours per day can you commit? 3. Are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Divide your plan into phases. Track your progress weekly. Be flexible. Life happens. Adapt smartly. Bonus tips from top scorers. Review the same content at least 3 times. Use whiteboards for self-quizzing. End each week with a mini self-assessment. Teach others. It locks in your learning, and never compare your timeline to others. This was your USMLE roadmap for 2025. Now it's time to study smart and score big. Smash that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let's ace this exam together.